Are you ready to create your first GA4 dashboard in LookerStudio, but don't know where to start? In this video, I will guide you step by step so you can get set up and running in no time. Hi, I'm Errol, and I help marketers make better decisions with data. Today, I will show you how to connect LookerStudio to your data source and choose the right visuals and publish a basic dashboard. By the end of a few videos, you will understand how to use all these components and have a GA4 dashboard. By the way, you can find the dashboard link in the description and make a copy for yourself. So the steps that we will take, we will first set up your account if you don't have any LookerStudio account yet. To do this, you can go to this link, which will be in the description of the video, and create your account. Once you click on the use it for free, it will take you into a place like that. Here, you can come over and click on this blank report section. Then it will pop up add data to report section. There, you can select your connector. Google has 24 native connector, all of which are Google products. And below, you can find more connectors that is provided by partners. We can talk about them in the future. Today, let's stick with Google Analytics. Once you click on it, it will show you the accounts that you have access to. And within them, you can click and select the account that you want to use in this dashboard. If you don't have any, I suggest you to find this demo account by Google. Google has a merch shop and they are sharing their data. I will share the link to find it as well. So you can click on it and add this data to your dashboard. Once it adds this data source to your dashboard, it will directly show you a table. Our goal is to replicate the dashboard that I've previously prepared. In it, we have a logo, a date selector, GA4 source selector, some KPIs and metrics, comparisons, sparklines, and charts, bar charts. Below, we have a table, and this table has a drill down capability. You can click on any of those channels, then drill down into the source medium, and then to the campaign level. There you can make your comparisons. And below, you can find key event funnel. It turned out that Google has key events only for e-commerce related activities. I wouldn't call view item a key event, but they did. So here what we have. And here you can see that how many times their visitors viewed an item, how many times they added to the cart, and how many times they purchased, along with the percentages. Right next to it, we see those devices. And we can click on some other metrics like total revenue generated by those devices, total users arrived to our website by those devices. And on the very right, we can see revenue by states. So we can click on United States, drill down to see the regions. As you may have noticed already, once I click on these states, the rest of our dashboard are getting filtered. So we will talk about all of these functionalities in the upcoming videos. For this video, congratulations, you connected your GA4 account to your dashboard. And in the next video, we will discuss about how to determine what metrics, KPIs, functionalities to add your dashboard. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more LookerStudio tips. See you on the next video.